to get them to stick out their tongues.
All right, admissions. Let's just go ask.
My name is Gary, by the way, they call me Cowboy, the oldest professional PBR bull rider to this day. That's not too bad. I got a fun one curve, but I know a few fun things about the critters here. Not that makes no sense, but that's half the fun. Up to inside if you just got it.
Oh my gosh, look, buddy.
Nice.
Oh my god!
Wow. Is she gorgeous or what? She'll curl up in your lap. Okay. And that snake was just under 30 feet. So a 30-foot snake, I mean, the longest snake ever recorded, you see where this little young man is here to where I am is the longest snake ever recorded. And their heads get larger continuously. So your older snakes have larger heads. Then comes the squeeze of life.
Hey, Dad.
No, he's a good
And a
snake.
snake this size
He's just a good
squeezes
snake. He's nice. He's trained.
pressure that if you were lying in the road and then she stops the blood flow, she stops breathing. If, depending upon how they land, breaks bones. Definitely can break ribs. And she starts to walk the jaws back and forth because the bottom jaw is not a single jaw, it's two jaws. There's a bone on each side. And so it's like arms, like this. And she walks the prey into her mouth. She gets to a certain point inside,
It looks like he just ate
as far
something,
back
you
as
know?
she can. And then she contracts the muscles. She starts and does it again. And
You see him, Bubba?
Alright, but here we go into the Serengeti Jurassic Park style.
Here we go.
But what people say with me, but whatever. Those birds are actually filled with air pockets so that blood can come up to the top and go back down into their body. So we have Temba and Mawenzi here. Temba is the taller one. He's about a year and a half old, and he's 11 feet tall. And then this is his half brother, Mawenzi. Mawenzi is 1 year old and about 9 feet tall. So a baby giraffe. Now these baby giraffes have a pretty rough start to life. They have a 6-foot drop straight on their heads when they're very first born. So that's actually how the baby gets its first breath. Now if the baby giraffe doesn't start breathing after that 6-foot drop, the mom actually has to kick them to get them to start breathing. So it's a pretty rude awakening for the baby giraffe.
Look cute.
I'm going to try to get them to stick out their tongues. It's pretty cool. Giraffe tongues when they're full grown will be over a foot long. And then they can use it just like your fingers. But baby giraffes have to learn how to use their tongues to use that sound. Pretty cool. She's nodding her head, that's because she's nothing happy. What about below? Their brain is half the size of one eyeball. well. So after about 5 minutes of running, they forget why they're running. The term bird brain definitely came from the ostrich. Here comes Sriracha. Here she comes. Sriracha here is a very sweet bird. We can go in with her, no problem. But we do not go in with Cascabel over there. Just because he's a male, and males are pretty territorial.
Can we put you up there? You want to take his picture? Spread.
This is my idea.
What was your idea?
Oh dears.
Roar! Ready? One.
I'm getting home.
Wait a minute.
Oh, it's hot.
She's taking you a
He
picture.
said it's hot.
Oh, it's hot?
I'm gonna try and hold myself in this river as long as I can, but my legs are in so much pain because it's so cold. It's so painful. Maybe it'll just go away. So painful. Oh my god. So cold. Okay, I'm probably like 2 minutes in the river now. Woo. It's going numb.